Opening morning, rifle season 2024, about to begin. Come on over here. And I shot him over there in that brush, right on the edge of that brush. I just praise down right there. Morning, everybody. Deer season 2024. First morning in the stand. Just got up here. See what happens. Well, guys, let's walk out to see if I got him. Well, see him over there. There's where I was hunting, that stand. And we got him down. There he is, guys. Look at that. Kind of angled away from me. Nice one. Let's see, get them all pretty for you. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 pointer. We got them tagged. We got them hung. Next will be skinning. I have some fresh tenderloins tonight for supper. See what tonight's hunt does, and maybe we'll get some more deer on camera. Sorry about this shot. He came out of nowhere and figured a way to set up the camera. I was just gonna do that, but he come out and, well, I got him anyway, so. He only went about 20 feet from where I shot him and dropped him. Well, we'll see what tonight's hunt does. Hey everybody, sitting here on the state line for an evening hunt up in the tripod. Pretty quiet around here. Amy got her 10 pointer this morning. Sit here and see if something crosses, and hopefully we get something. Well, guys, sitting out for the evening hunt. It's about 2:30 right now. Maybe get another chance at another buck. Phil Perry's tag. So we'll see how this night goes. Fresh tenderloin for supper. Well, good morning, everybody. Second day of deer season. Kind of rainy. Hard to say if the deer will move or not. We'll see. Just starting to get late, so we'll find out here shortly. Second morning in the stand. And a different stand. he's headed up now, I guess, to get the four-wheeler. Oh, guys. The stand I was in. He's right over there. There he is. Nice tall spike. Alright guys, we're gonna get him tagged and gutted out, and we'll get back with you when he's up and hung up. What do you think of your deer?
I think he looks pretty tasty. Next shot too. Awesome.
Didn't want to track him in this wet ground. Alright guys, we'll get back to you when we get him hung up. Well, we got him tagged, we got him hung. 2024 rifle season comes to an end for us. In our area, we had 3 weeks, but all we needed was 2 days. Now the work begins. Cutting them up, packaging them, grinding them up, and then we'll be ready for some ice fishing, I hope. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.